If you have a YouTube channel and are looking for a watch time, and you do not know what types of views count as watch time on YouTube. In this video, I will explain what types of views are counted as watch time on YouTube. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. If you have a YouTube channel and you want to earn money from it, then you have to monetize it. According to YouTube criteria, before earning from YouTube, you have to complete the minimum requirements of the site. You have to complete 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and 10 million short video views. The most difficult part of YouTube is how to complete the watch time and views. Remember, not every view counts as a view on YouTube. After creating a YouTube channel, the first question a creator asks is what counts as a view on YouTube. What counts as a view on YouTube? Each time a viewer playing the video on their device and watches for at least 30 seconds, that counts as a view. If viewer not complete 30 seconds, it will not count as view. For example, if someone plays a video, he should watch it for at least 30 seconds. That watch time counts as a view. If someone closes your video before 30 seconds, it will not count as watch time. Is it okay if I watch my own YouTube videos? It's absolutely fine to watch your own YouTube video. But if you see it to increase view and watch time, it won't work. The first time you view your own video, a view is counted. After that, YouTube doesn't count it as a new view. Does rewatching a YouTube video increase watch time? Yes. The watch time increases if you rewatch a YouTube video. However, there are few exceptions too. If the video is private, deleted, unlisted, the watch time won't increase even if you watch for hours. Meanwhile, ad campaigns, shorts, and live streams not converted into video on demand won't increase your watch time. Only public videos influence increase watch time on YouTube. Does YouTube count views if muted? YouTube will definitely count the view even if you mute the video. YouTube doesn't have any method to know whether you are playing mute or not. So playing a video on mute won't affect view count. Do views outside of YouTube count? Yes. YouTube counts views from other sources or websites. Video redirections from Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and other social media are counted. Creators even have a separate analytics portal to view the percentage of traffic from different sources. Every view counts if it's fair. For example, if you shared your video on Twitter, tweet. View tweet. Click on this link. The video is playing on Twitter. This video is playing outside of YouTube. This watch time is also counted as a view. Does YouTube count views without an account? Absolutely yes. YouTube count views without an account. If it can count views in incognito, then it can count without any account too. For example, I am not signed into my account. If someone plays your video without sign into their Gmail account, that watch time is also counted as a view. But do not forget the minimum watch time counter, which is 30 seconds. Does YouTube count views from VPN? Yes. YouTube believes in user-initiated play. A view isn't a view if it's scripted play, looped one, or spam one. A view should be purely by choice of the user. So if you click a video and watch it, YouTube will count it. It doesn't matter whether you use a VPN or not. For example, if YouTube is not working in your country, then you need a VPN. I am using a VPN on my web browser, and I am playing a video on YouTube. YouTube counts this video's watch time as a view. It doesn't matter whether you use a VPN or not. Does looping count as views on YouTube? YouTube won't count views coming from the same device again and again. For example, if you are playing the same video or playlist again and again, YouTube won't count views. They only count a few, usually 2 or 3 count. However, YouTube may count views on popular songs that people listen to many times entirely, from start to end. YouTube can differentiate whether it is viral replicating traffic, a trending song, playlist song, or looping spam view. A view coming from the same IP address makes YouTube feel suspicious about you. Thus, it concludes it as repeating views and deletes it from counting. Does replaying video YouTube count views? Replaying a video on YouTube counts as a view, if and only if the viewer satisfies 2 conditions. First, the user is genuinely initiating the video viewing process. Second, the watch time is at least 30 seconds. However, after a specific time, YouTube will stop considering views. So replaying the video might fetch you few views for the day, but it doesn't count as a new view. Overall, rewatching your videos won't help you increase views and watch time. How often are YouTube view counts updated? YouTube officially doesn't publish anything regarding this topic. However, the common belief is that YouTube updates its views in 24 to 48 hours. Web and application views updates in 4 to 8 hours. And external embed ones are updated in 12 to 18 hours. YouTube takes real-time views into account, but the view count process takes time. It is safe to say that YouTube view counts take around 24 to 48 hours. Does YouTube count views from other websites? YouTube counts views from other websites with few exceptions. The exceptions that eliminate a view from counting are as follows. 1. Embedded video set on autoplay. If a video is set on autoplay on a website, YouTube is likely not to count the view. Because YouTube wants the user to play the video. Autoplay is forcing them to watch it or play it in the background. 2. Hammering the F5 button to increase views. YouTube won't count views coming reloading the page. Repeat views are indeed genuine in some cases, like music and tutorials. However, the majority ones are unethical. After viewing an embedded video, a user reloading the page probably tries to trick the system into gaining views. Such activities won't interest YouTube to count the view. 3. Spam views from same or known IP addresses. People have bought views on various websites, but those views are temporary. Because the majority of them are coming from a bunch of IP addresses, YouTube is aware of that. So even if you see the view count increased after YouTube audits it, those numbers will decline. Meanwhile, even if you don't opt for the paid views, try to do it yourself. Even this trick won't work because YouTube snipes your IP address and activity too. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.